In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw your crypto to an external wallet or sell and send cash back to your bank account with Huobi Global. And this is part of a series of videos where in part 1, I showed you how you can easily buy your crypto using a credit or a debit card and via bank transfer. And I'll put a timeline in the summary below so that you can just jump to specific parts of the tutorial if you wish. For more information on Huobi Global, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. If you've bought your first cryptocurrency with Huobi Global, but now you want to send it across to the likes of a hardware wallet, like a Ledger or a Trezor, I'm going to show you that process first. So if we head across to our balances and search for our crypto, which in my case is Bitcoin, and then if we click on to withdraw, you can then ensure that you have the right crypto selected from the drop down here. And you'll then want to enter in the receive or the deposit address from the destination that you want to send your crypto across to. And just note here that you'll always want to make sure that you're sending across the correct type of crypto to the correct type of address. For example, if you send Bitcoin to an Ethereum address, you do risk losing your crypto. So always double check your addresses in here, and if you're nervous or sending across large amounts, it may be worth sending a test amount first. Then should automatically choose the chain for you, but you can choose the network from here. And then you can enter in the amount that you'd like to withdraw. And there is a minimum withdrawal of 0.001 BTC. Now, depending on how busy the network is, this might take some time to reach your address, so don't expect this to be instant. Then once the transaction is complete, your crypto will withdraw to your destination address. So that's how you withdraw to an external address. However, if you've held your crypto for a while, and you feel that now is the right time to sell, I'm going to show you the process now and how to withdraw that cash back to a bank account. And first of all, we need to sell, because a bank obviously can't accept Bitcoin, and therefore we need to sell it to a fiat currency first to essentially cash out. So under Buy Crypto, if we choose the Sell tab and enter the amount of crypto that we'd like to sell, which in my case is going to be Bitcoin, and there's a minimum sell order of 0.001 BTC. It'll then show you how much in your chosen currency that you'll receive, which in my case is £93. When you're ready, you can then choose to sell GBP, where you'll then see a confirmation page, letting you know the price that you're selling at, the amount, the fee and the total. And as you can see here, your GBP or fiat currency will be in your Huobi fiat account. And you can go ahead and confirm. Once the order is completed, you'll need to transfer that across to your exchange account before you can withdraw that to a bank account. So if we head across to balances from the top of the screen, then fiat account, we can now see our active GBP balance, which we need to transfer. So let's choose that. And we'll be transferring from our fiat wallet to the exchange. And we're transferring GBP. And then we can enter the amount that we'd like to send. Then choose transfer. And once that's transferred, if we head back to our balances and choose exchange, and you'll see the GBP balance now appearing. And from here, I've got the option to withdraw. GBP is already selected for us from the currency dropdown. And as you can see, there is a £1.50 fee here for faster payments. And my linked bank account is selected from the list here. And this is the bank account that I used for depositing and buying my Bitcoin previously. Then you can enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw, and there is a minimum of £10 and a maximum of £2,000 for me. Then choose Next. Then you'll want to confirm your withdrawal by checking through all of the information on here. Once the withdrawal is complete, your GBP will then appear in your bank account, and mine withdrew the same day. So that completes how you can sell and withdraw Bitcoin with Huobi Global. And there is a lot more to Huobi than just buying or selling crypto. If you want to find out more about their global exchange or how to earn, then please check out my series of videos. And it's worth mentioning too that Huobi are running promotions as part of their 8th anniversary, where new users can earn 88% APY with Huobi Earn First Time offers. Plus you can also get an additional 100% APY on USDT flexible deposits, and 88 USDT for completing some predefined tasks. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.